Hi everyone, Gabby here. So today I'm going to talk about Halloween. It is the weekend before Halloween, and if you're anything like me, you have not spent money on a costume. I told myself I'm not going to buy a costume this year until I have plans. Well, guess what? Now it's a weekend and I'm in a pinch to find a costume. So today I wanted to talk about last minute costumes that you can throw together with just items in your closet. These are not award-winning costumes. If you're set out to win the costume contest, this video is not for you. These are for my ladies who are in a last-minute pinch who want to throw something together. So with 4 or 5 basic costumes, these are my go-tos. The first is a black dress. With a black dress, you can do anything in life. Throw on a pair of cat ears. You're a cat. Duh. Throw on a witch's hat. Easiest Halloween costume ever. Or throw on a tiara and some pearls and you're Miss Hepburn. So those are 3 of my favorites. Again, you can amp up any of those styles with makeup. The next look is a flannel. With a flannel shirt, you can be a scarecrow or you can be a cowgirl. Again, style that if you have a floppy hat, perfect for the scarecrow look. There's a ton of tutorials on YouTube of how to do makeup for a scarecrow look. And then for a cowgirl, if you have a cowboy hat, you nailed it. Some Daisy Dukes, some cowboy boots. Easiest, most comfortable costume ever. My third look is a 70s queen. So bell bottoms have been very much so in style, so I'm sure you have a pair hanging around in your closet somewhere or in a drawer. Throw on a pair of bell bottoms, a flower crown. If you have anything fringe, even better. That's it. Again, simple, simple, simple. All things you have in your closet. The last one that I have is any sports player. Whether you're a fan, a significant other is a fan, a sibling is a fan, steal a jersey, wear the jersey. I love baseball, so for costume wise, I don't really watch sports, but it's easy to throw on a pair of high socks, a jersey, a baseball cap. Again, comfortable, quick, cheap. So this is a really short tutorial on how to make quick and easy costumes for Halloween. I hope this helps you out in a pinch.